Did you know that a legendary Tremec to 56 Magnum transmission, rated for 700 foot-pounds of torque, turned into expensive confetti in less than 3 seconds? This is the story of an 800 horsepower Honda Civic K24 all-wheel drive build that exposed a dirty secret nobody talks about. The Tremec is supposed to be bulletproof. V8 muscle car guys swear by it. But here's what they don't tell you about import applications. The gear ratios were designed for low-revving American torque, not the screaming high RPM power delivery of a built K24. The moment this Civic launched, synchronizers exploded and gear teeth sheared faster than the driver could lift his foot. But it gets worse. The custom input shaft modifications needed for Honda bolt patterns actually weakened critical stress points. The bell housing alignment was off, destroying bearings. And that all-wheel drive transfer case? It created torsional vibrations the transmission was never designed to handle. The kicker? A modified Honda CR-V transmission survived the same 800 horsepower for thousands less. Sometimes the best upgrade isn't the most expensive one.